Hi, I'm Paul Von Reeder, a photographer based in Los Angeles. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to get started with the Profoto A1X. Before you start adding flash, make sure you do all of your in-camera settings first. I normally start by deciding my ISO and aperture, and for the shoot, I've already decided to use ISO 100 and aperture 2.0. I then control how dark or how bright I want my background to be by changing the shutter speed. When I've done all my in-camera settings, it's time to add flash. Choose between manual mode, which will let you choose a fixed flash exposure, or choose TTL, also known as auto mode, which will choose a good flash exposure for you. I'm gonna go with TTL for this shoot. Okay, you've found your location and your models. You've chosen your settings, and now it's time to take your pictures.